हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ राशि और आज मैं रिव्यू करूँगी बॉब विश्वास मूवी का। बॉब विश्वास मूवी अभिषेक बच्चन ही प्लेड द character of Bob Vishwas, which was played by शाश्वत चैटर्जी in the movie कहानी। वेल दोस्तों, यहाँ पे मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी, यू विल फील द टेक्सचर ऑफ कहानी इन दिस मूवी व्हेन यू फील लाइक कि कहानी के बीच में से कोई कहानी निकाली है और वो आपके सामने आ गई है एज अ बॉब विश्वास। And that's in fact the beauty of this movie, because never lose the interest within the movie. And as far as acting is concerned, of course, Abhishek Bachchan did a really good work and very hard work, and he looked like Bob Vishwas. So please don't compare him with Shashwat Chatterjee, because here he is on his own as Bob Vishwas. So watch with that angle. You will love his character, and in fact, he did justice to that character. Plus, in fact, the story is like he was in coma due to some accident, and then he's fine now after 8 years, but still he cannot recollect people. He cannot recall. He cannot he doesn't even remember anything. So he cannot relate with people as such, right from his wife, children, to every Tom, Dick and Harry in his colony. But apart from that, he is trying his level best. So यहाँ ये मूवी है, and then उसके बाद he came across so many characters, new characters, which misused him due to his memory loss, and then he realizes no, he's doing something wrong. So he connects with Kalida. Yeah, that's one of the wonderful character in the movie. I love that character. कालिदा का कैरेक्टर परन बंदोपाध्याय जी ने प्ले किया है, बंगाली एक्टर अगेन, बट he really did terrific performance, a very cool, calm, and he gives you that feeling that you haven't done anything wrong even if you have killed someone, so chill out. So you're nothing like that. He's very honest, very loyal, and you can trust him blindfoldedly. So even people, or say villain, or say negative people, even they respect him as god, and he's a lovable personality. No one can go against him, no one can cross check him, and he's such a gentleman in the movie. गॉडफादर काइंड ऑफ उनको देख के फीलिंग आती है दैट इवन ही इज डूइंग रॉन्ग इन हिज होम्योपैथिक स्टोर, ही इज सेलिंग पिस्टल एंड guns and what not, but still he's very cool and calm, and he's very honest towards the money being deposited by people, particularly Bob Vishwas, who actually forgot कि ये सब भी क्या हुआ है. हालांकि कुछ लूज एंड्स हैं, लाइक आई कुडंट ट्रेस आउट कि वो डायरी उनको कैसे पता चलता है कि वो डायरी है उस कॉफी, आई मीन उनके जो फर्स्ट हस्बैंड है चित्रांगदा के. आई डोंट नो, आई मीन दैट वाज रियली स्पीशियस. देन चित्रांगदा का रोल भी बहुत नैरो किया है. She's a great actress, and I was expecting much more in the movie from her. And I was in fact had some more curiosity level as far as the suspense is concerned. I thought कि ये जो बॉब विश्वास है वो कुछ नाटक कर रहे होंगे कि नहीं मेरा मेमोरी चला गया, एंड देन ही विल इन्वॉल्व चित्रांगदा, एंड देयर विल बी some other angle suspicious or anything like that, but nothing like that happened. But whatever happened is fine to watch. ऑल्दो एक जो उनकी बेटी का कैरेक्टर है और एक बेटे का है, बेटी का रोल निभाया है दीपक तिजोरी जी की बेटी समारा तिजोरी ने, एंड शी डिड जस्टिस टू हर रोल. बट थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच्ड आउट लगी है वो पूरी मूवी में, एंड मे बी उनके कैरेक्टर का डिमांड था, बट लिटिल बिट, बट ओके, ओवरऑल शी डिड ओके. एंड द स्टोरी ऑफ कोर्स इन्वॉल्व्स हर बिकॉज she somehow fell under the grip of a drug named blue. So blue was not confined to only color, but here it is a drug, and she got in touch with people who use that, and she felt like, okay, due to pressure of her studies, and in order to beat entrance examination of medical, and then society, and then friend circle, and even herself, she put herself under so much pressure that she needs something to keep herself on during the night so that she can study. So she thought, why don't not she thought, but she, of course, peer pressure and peer guidance, better say, she fell into this. And then the story moves on, unveiling the secret behind this, people who are involved in this drug business, and then killing them, even unknowingly killing them by Bob Vishwas, and so many things happen. इसमें पूरा कोहली का भी छोटा सा रोल है शुरुआत में. ही इज अ ड्रग पेडलर, बेचते हैं ड्रग्स को, ब्लू को. Then there are characters like Chomuda, who's a chow mein person. He sells chow mein, and apart from that he kills people. और कुछ कुछ ऐसे ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स भी हैं इसमें. ओवरऑल इट्स अ गुड मूवी, although what I did not like from my personal end was the climax, because climax was very घिसा पिटा kind of, it sounded like a typical 90s, or maybe earlier to that wala movies, and you have nothing to watch with that aesthetic sense which you were watching throughout the movie. लाइक वो बच्चे को बोलते हैं, अपनी लड़की को बोलते हैं कि ये आप कि अपने फादर को मार दो, एंड शी विल किल यू बिकॉज शी इज़ इन द ग्रिप ऑफ से blue, so she can do anything. I mean, of course, this is not a spoiler, but I believe that climax would have been better. In fact, something innovative would have done, and involvement of Chitrangada would have been better. She must have, she would have shared much more screen time, and प्लस उनकी बेटी को काफ़ी स्क्रीन टाइम दिया गया है, दीपक तिजोरी जी की बेटी समारा तिजोरी को, विच वॉज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड आई सपोज. वो शायद चित्रांगदा का इन्वॉल्वमेंट करते तो बेहतर होता. प्लस चोमुदा ठीक थे, एंड आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर एज वेल, काली द बेस्ट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अभिषेक बच्चन वॉज वेरी गुड. ही डिड अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. He put on weight, lot of weight, and then the hairstyle kind of that was, and even on face, open pores, and then kind of maturity, and then उनके जो आइज के एक्सप्रेशन कि उन्हें कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रही कौन है क्या है, and that was wonderful. I mean, very well done by अभिषेक बच्चन. और सभी कुछ ठीक था, बाकी कुछ कुछ जो नहीं ठीक था वो भी मैंने बताया. But overall, you must watch this because it has good, suspense. In fact, comic timing बहुत अच्छी है. जो he is a killer, Bob Vishwas is a killer, and he kills people. Just of course, he gets photo on his phone, and then he kills people. But the way he kills, that was really great. I mean, जो उन्होंने दूसरे किस एक को लिफ्ट में and he's climbing the stairs in order to kill that, कि वो कहीं निकल ना जाए, और वो लिफ्ट से है बंदा और ये भागे भाग रहे हैं. and then he takes his own breath in hand, and then wait वो बोलते कि क्या 1 minute, Bob Vishwas. So that was it was very nicely maintained even in this movie. So on that note, I just say please watch and keep watching my reviews. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and comment if possible. Thank you so much. Bye.